the most gracious and the most merciful. Dear students, today we are doing ought to. As earlier we have completed should, various function of should. So the same manner ought to have got almost the same function like should. Okay. So here first, what is the right thing to do? You ought to not park your car here. You ought not to tell a lie. Not good thing to do, or something bad to do, right to do or not right to do. So you ought to apologize first from the teacher. If you are late, you ought to apologize. So this is the first function of ought to. Second, what you expect or would like to happen. You expect something that would happen. Yes, he ought to behave in a good manner. You would like that. That's why he ought to behave in a good manner. She ought to work hard to get good marks in exam. I expect from you people, a ninth class ought to be the role model for the rest of the classes. So I expect from you ought to. Okay? The same manner, next one is to say what you advise or recommend something to someone. Advice and recommendations you can also use ought to. Hey, you ought to be polite with your class fellows. You ought to, I recommend you ought to take admission in that school. In private school or in government school, I give some advice to you. That in that regard, what I say, you ought to take admission in government high school, Murtazabad. You ought to go to the doctor if you have got problem in your or pain in your leg. You ought to go to the doctor. So I recommend you or I advise you. For that reason, we also use ought to. Next one is to say what has probably happened or is true. So this much food ought to be enough for all of us. Alright? So probably it also shows probability. Okay? He ought to be have in a good manner. If you treat him well, he ought to behave in a good manner. He ought to get first position in the final exam because he is working hard. So probability, you also show probability. So these are the functions of ought to. So I am hopeful that you would further make some sentences, variety of sentences, and share with the rest of your colleagues. So I am hopeful you worked on it. So I am hopeful that you might have developed variety of sentences by using ought to. It is more quite like similar should. Okay. So now please could you tell us sentences ought to.
What is right thing to do? I ought to be go Islamabad.
I ought to be polite with my teachers. Ought to be polite with my. I ought to go to Islamabad. Good.
You ought to be make a delicious food.
You ought to make a delicious food. Good. Next, please.
What you expect or would like to happen. Ali ought to drink water. Sir ought to be teach us lesson.
Sir ought to teach us lesson for 10 minutes. All right, good.
To say what you advise, recommend. You ought to clean your class.
You ought to clean your class.
Oughtn't to go outside.
You oughtn't to go outside. Good. Yes, please.
To say what has probability happen is or true.
Is probably happen or is probably true. What is probably happen or what probably true?
You ought to be a doctor in future. You ought to go India in future.
You ought to go to another country. All right. Next, please.
To say probably happened or is true.
All right.
There ought to be enough food for the four of us.
There ought to be enough food for four of us. Good.
Oughtn't the water to have boiled by now?
All right. Next, please.
Right thing to do. You oughtn't to be on time.
You oughtn't be late. All right.
You oughtn't to be drive a car.
You oughtn't drive a car fast. Good.
To say what you advise recommended. Farmers ought to earn less. Soldiers ought to get freedom.
All right. Good. Thank you very much. So I'm hopeful that you would do more practice at home. You would develop some more sentences and jot down in your fair notebooks. Thank you very much.